Ever feel like your mechanical keyboard just isn't quite asterisk there yet? Like it's missing that perfect click, that satisfying thok? Well, this bundle might just be the answer you've been searching for. We're diving into a pack of 90 Kailh box white switches, paired with a seriously premium CNC machined switch opener from Ranked. This isn't just about swapping out some parts, it's about unlocking a whole new level of typing experience. Let's talk about these Kailh box whites first. These are plate-mounted switches, which is pretty standard, but the box design is where things get interesting. It's built to protect the stem from dust and liquid, which is a huge plus for longevity. And the feel. These are clicky switches, and they deliver. You get a distinct tactile bump followed by a sharp, audible click. The pre-travel is 1.8, meaning the switch registers your press relatively quickly, and the total travel is 3.6. The actuation force is 50 grams, with a bottom-out force of 60 grams. This feels really balanced, not too light to cause accidental presses, but not so heavy that your fingers get tired after a long typing session. It's that sweet spot for many gamers and typists who crave that audible feedback. Now the Ranked switch opener. This thing is a beauty. Forget those flimsy plastic openers that feel like they're going to snap. This one is CNC machined from aluminum, and it feels incredibly solid and precise. The blue Malibu color is a nice touch, adding a bit of flair to your workspace. But it's not just about looks, it's about function. Ranked claims it's designed for maximum efficiency and hassle-free opening, and honestly, it lives up to that. It grips the switch housing perfectly, allowing you to pop it open quickly and, crucially, without damaging the delicate plastic. This is essential if you're planning on lubing your switches or swapping out springs. It makes the often tedious process of opening switches so much smoother and less frustrating. Putting it all together, this bundle is a fantastic starting point for anyone looking to customize their mechanical keyboard. The Kailh box whites offer a crisp, satisfying typing experience that's hard to beat for the price, and the Ranked opener makes the whole customization process a joy rather than a chore. It's a combination that elevates both the build process and the end result. So, if you're ready to take your keyboard to the next level with a satisfying click and a smooth, efficient modding experience, this bundle is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.